That's why people won't get nobody. Your heart, that's all. Whatever. You know, it's not a lot, but it's still like it's a big thing. You just can't just throw it away.
My mom's in the restaurant. Yes, ma'am.
Like I said, you brought it back to
I already
that right there.
down.
Can't be like that. You will.
Yeah.
That's cute. Little camera.
Huh?
I like that.
Oh, yeah. Expensive.
Something new.
Not really new, but it's been out for like 3 years, 2-3 years.
Okay. That's neat.
Yeah. The only thing about it is that it don't have a pause button.
You don't got a power button?
A pause button.
A pause, yeah.
Don't have a pause button. So that's something they have to look into now. Put the pause button on.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because I'll be wanting to pause every now and then.
Thank you. Have a good day.
The chicken in the big old box. Ready? All right. Let's go. Eat it. Eat it.
Thank you.
In the car. My gut started hurting, y'all. I had to hurry up and get online now. I don't know. The lady kept coughing. And I just had to go. And the more she coughed, the more I heard it.
What?
The more she coughed, the more I heard it. I had to hurry up and get it out of there. That's why I was saying, let's go. I got all this water, y'all. Water, 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 water. Water. Let's make a song out of water. Water is the best thing for y'all. Better keep this water. I'm telling you, it keeps you. It helps you. It nourishes you. It nourishes you. You want some water? You want a bottle of water? You got it? You got water?
Yeah, I got water.
Okay. Anyway, put my drink on there, please. Right there. I'm put this chicken and stay in the back. I don't care where it stay. It can stay there. It can, I should put it out here. It's good though. My gut started hurting every time she called. I said, got to go. Got to go. I see they got to eat in that area right there. You see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Eating area. She said, that's me. Look at him. Dude. Like your haircut. Who cut it? He went outside to talk on the phone. I opened the door and he was the first one who came out with the phone. Well, y'all, I won't be buying no chicken. Not even my gut start hurting while she coughing like that inside though. Okay, I can wait. I gotta wash clothes too when I get back home. We headed to Walmart.